Father, we thank you in the same tenacity you've given us. Aming Diyos, sa hapong ito, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa iyo sa pag-iingat mo sa bawat sa amin sa pagpunta. Salamat po for the 35th year na aming pong pagsasama-sama.
Gugulatayin po natin ang masasayang alaala po natin nung panahon po nung high school. Sama-sama po tayo na magkukumustahan, magsasaya at magse-celebrate po tayo ng 35th year anniversary po natin.
Happy 35 years! Batch 89 Reunion 2024!
We won't stop, no, no, no. We take the world and make it ours. And we'll shine brighter than the stars.
What's outstanding batch? Palakpakan mo namin, batch 89! At pinapatunayan nyo ngayon nga dahil very active pa rin talaga kayo.
Take to the skies, whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Hey, hey, let's tear it up. Yeah, we got skills you just can't touch. We move so.
Sa inyo lahat, enjoy your day. Masarap yung magkita-kita after so long. Yung inyong laughter and tears during your high school days. Mahirap kalimutan na na. So, enjoy your day. Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat.
Take to the skies, whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Yeah,
Sabi ko, nakakatuwa yung mga estudyante ko. Kahit yung mga sobrang mataas na yung narating nila, nakatungtong pa rin sila sa lupa. The heights by great men reached and kept were not attained by sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, were toiling upward in the night.